Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and welcome to our Digital Grow series. We are so excited to have you here on our series, along with our business partner, Sister Zara, Sister Runa, Sister Gohar, and Sister Aksa. In this series, we share real stories, tips, and experience from people who are doing amazing in the business. Let us also welcome our special guest for today. She's basically from India, Rajasthan, living in North Carolina, USA for past 12 years, along with her family. She's a wife and a mother of two beautiful kids. She has done her master's in chemistry and now successfully running her digital business for the past 3 years. She has also achieved her fourth milestone this month in the business. So please welcome Sister Mudita from North Carolina. Wait.
I'm
Hello,
good. How are
Mudita.
you all?
We're good too,
Mm,
thank
Good,
you.
good.
Thank
And
you.
really sorry for being late.
It's
Got
okay.
stuck in the traffic, so yeah, sorry for that.
No
We really
problem.
appreciate that you came.
Yeah, we are
That's a
glad that
lot for
you
us.
No, that's
Thank you
okay.
so much.
Thanks so much for coming, Mudita.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to be here with all of you.
Thank you.
Okay, so Mudita, welcome again. Sister Mudita, welcome. And we are so excited to have you here on our page. And so, my question is tell me about your journey in this digital business and what made you think to join this business.
Yeah, sure, definitely. First of all, thanks again to all of you, and thank you for being patient. I am late, I know, so sorry for that. But yeah, it's my pleasure to be here with all of you and sharing my journey with your audience. So, as Almaz said, I am from Rajasthan, India, and past 12 years we are living in USA. Back in India, I was a chemistry lecturer, but when I moved to USA, I didn't have work permit, so I was not able to work. I didn't have choice, right? So I stayed home, and when I got work permit, by the time we had two kids, so I was busy taking care of them, and I was enjoying actually those moments, motherhood moments. I was enjoying. I was cherishing those moments, creating memories with my kids, but always there was a thought in my mind to have my identity back and to support my husband financially. So that is why I was keep looking for the options, but because my kids were my priority, so I wanted something which can give me flexibility to work around my kids schedule, and at the same time I can earn and I can create identity. So keep exploring different platforms. I tried to do some certification for the job, work from home jobs, but I was at home for almost a decade. I was not doing, so I was so underconfident. I thought that I will not be able to do anything at all. But when I came across this platform, and when I explored it, then I saw the kind of support we get in here, the mentorship program, the community support. That gave me confidence and courage to start my career uh, from this platform. So I had that thoughts like, okay, I don't know things. It is new for me, but I will learn because I am getting proper training and support in here. So that is how I started this business, and it's going to be 3 year in coming December, and it's going well. And yeah.
Yes, thank you, Mudita, for sharing all your story. I have a question that's connected with this question too. So I'll just add it now. Was there a moment where you just felt like when you realized that you wanted to take a different direction and do something more meaningful, and what was that? If you can highlight on that a little bit more.
Yeah, like I came from the background where everybody has the mindset that have a good education, have a good job, and just live happily with a stable life. And that is what I also did in the past. And when I was looking for the opportunity, the same kind of opportunity I was looking, okay, let's go search some jobs and start career again. But I knew that the long time I stayed home, I have to learn a lot of things because I was way behind from the people who are doing work every day, learning new skills every day. So when we decided to purchase home for ourselves here in the USA, that was a high time for me. Now I have to do something because it's difficult to survive on a single income, and that too if we are having family back in India, we have to support them as well. My husband is earning good. He is taking care of all our needs and wants, but still I can see the pressure on him that he is the only one who is taking care of all the things. And besides that, I knew that I had a good qualification. I studied well, but still I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting at home. So that point when we decided to buy a home, that was the high point for me to start something. But again, as you said, I wanted to do something meaningful. Job I did already, my husband already is doing job, and I see the pressure always, every day the pressure is there, that you have to keep running, keep updating yourself to stay and to like run in the crowd, you can say, to win the race. That is how job market is nowadays. And I don't wanted to go in that field because I knew if I started the job, I will start a job, it will be difficult to take care of the kids, and the pressure of the job, and that too, it's from the scratch I'm starting. So I know that it's not be like very good salary I'm going to get. So it's like I am doing job for nothing, for getting the stress, for getting the anxiety for myself and for the kids. So I didn't wanted that. That is why I explored other options. And again, I will say here, the mentorship program, when I get to know about this platform, that encouraged me to take the step to start this. Because somewhere in my mind I had that, okay, today I am getting support from other people. In the future, the same thing I also want to do. I want to support other women just like me, who are just stuck like similar kind of situation like me. So that is how I decided, okay, I will learn, I will grow my business, and then in future I will also support other women. So that's why I like this platform and started this.
Really nice. Yeah. I can see a little bit picture of mine in yourself. Like because I am a stay-home mom still. So
Uh-huh.
um we are a stay-home mom, like I am a stay-home mom, so we want something that we can at least build something for ourselves, and we can do, like, at the end of the day we are confident, okay, I am doing something for myself as well.
Right, right. That's true.
Yeah. So behind that, like, I have a question, like, what was, like, when you start the business, of course you searched and you explored, like, online income opportunities a lot, and I'm sure, like, you saw so many choices over there, right? These days there are a lot of choices. So,
Mhm.
like, in this era there are a lot of businesses, and like there's scams, and what was the main thing that came in your mind that, okay, this is not gonna be scam, or this is like the thing that you needed, or like what made you feel that this business is good for you,
Yeah.
and what inspired you about this business, like.
Right. So definitely the inspiring thing, I will say again, the mentorship support which I saw in the business, the community support I saw, the like-minded people I saw when I was exploring the business, that inspired me to take the action. But yeah, definitely when we scroll and when we see the online opportunity in front of us, the scam thing definitely comes in everybody's mind, and it's very natural because online
Mm.
there are a lot of scam. But when I
Yeah.
see my coach's face, when I saw her first time on the Facebook, my thought was, is it really real, or these kind
Mm.
of people are these people are really doing this successfully, because there are so many income posts as well. But when I go through her page and I see her family, her doing this business for so many years, that gave me little confidence. No, it can't be a scam, because scammer won't stay on the social media for that much long. For a few
Yeah.
weeks or maximum to few months, they will be vanished and you won't be able to find them, right? And
Yeah.
me, you, and all other business owners, we are coming every day on the social media. So that can't be scam. We are showing our faces, we are showing our daily activities, our family pictures, everything. So that can't be a scam.
Exactly.
Scammers
Mm.
never do that.
Yeah.
They even don't talk to you over phone also. They just talk to you on text messages, or they will just send you some random links and all. But we don't do. We are ready to talk, we are coming lives, and we are sharing our journey. That is what I also saw in my coach's page, and that gave me satisfaction that it can't be a scam. And after that, when I talk to her and when I listen to her story, that resonates with me. Yeah, she was a mother, she had two kids, and she was working. But again, the every mother's pain, that they have to leave the kids somewhere in daycare, and the anxiety, the frustration come out on the kids only after the whole day work. So when I hear that story, when I talk to her, that gave me confidence. No, if she can do it, why can't I do it? It can be little
Exactly.
hard for me, it can take some time for me, because I'm starting from scratch. It is not my forte. I am not a social media person at all. I'm not so talkative. My communication skills were very low, when because I was staying at home so long. But I knew that if I'm getting proper support and training, I will learn. I had that mindset that I will learn and I will make it work. So that is how I decided, and that is what I it inspired me. Yes, we can do it.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, sister. It is so inspired, and same as when I started this business, I'm also scared like that. And same like I did not socialize that much, and never I came to the Facebook or any social media, and that things made me a little bit scared, because
Mhm.
how I do that if I can't do anything, is still I can talk in the Facebook and openly, like so many people are doing so confidently, but I can. These things, a little bit like step back me. But again, when I see my mentor and coach, I same like you, I inspired. I if they can do it, why not I can do.
Yes, yes, yes.
So thank you so much your experience. So I
See,
have.
I think I want to add something here. Like more than I think 50% or 60% people are like that only. When they started, they were not social media expert, or you can say influencer on the social media. The
Yeah.
only thing that motivated them to start this business is they wanted to do something for themselves or their family or their kids. That motivation drive them to start this, because they know that they are getting all the tools, all the training, all the supports in here. Even though they are not expert, even though they don't have these skills to come on social media or talk like that, but they can learn, and it's not necessary also. Everybody has their own way to do things, everybody has their own way to communicate the things. You just have to find that your own way and just show up that way. That's it.
Thank you so much. So I have a simple question to you. As a mentor, you work with individuals who may be experiencing self-doubt and seeking a clearer sense of purpose. How do you help them develop confidence and gain their clarity needed to them forward and purpose direction?
Yeah, because I have been in that situation, so I know how does it feel, and how I know how quickly you feel demotivated if something is not working for you. So I always say to everyone who ask me or who reach out to me, or even in my team, if they feel demotivated or if they feel things are not working for them, I always tell them, work on yourself first and then expect the other things. We are starting something which we are not expert in. We didn't know about this platform at all when we started, including me, including a lot of other women. We are doing something new, so first we need to learn those skills. We need to grow ourselves as a business owner, as a mentor. Then only it will give us the result which we are looking for. So it's okay if it takes time, it's okay it's getting delayed, that's okay. But you should never stop working on yourself, on your skills, and keep your mindset positive, stay positive. talk to your people around you who are positive, who are hardworking, who motivates other, who encourage. This is how you can keep yourself inspired and encouraged. And that is the only thing which I did, and that is what I give as an advice to other people as well.
Thank you so much. It's yeah, exactly.
Thank you, Mudita. Your story is very inspiring. I have a question. My question is, what's been one of your proudest moments in this journey? Something that really made you pause and fulfilled.
See, my journey is not so long, and it's just running in, I would say just started. I would say, but yeah, there were some moment when I can say like I felt proud. First thing, I knew that what place I came from. I was so nervous, like today what I'm here talking this confidently, I was not at all like that. So this is an achievement for me. And when other people, like people around me, the friends who live nearby us, and they see me and they see my growth, and when they tell me that you are doing so well, we see you, we follow you on the social media, and you are so expert and all in talking, that give me that encouragement, or it made me feel, yeah, I am doing something, I'm learning and I'm growing. And inside business also, when somebody reach out to me and they say, yeah, your story inspires us, you are so hardworking, that is also kind of achievement, that at least one or two, whoever it is getting inspired from me and taking action forward positively. That is an opportunity, that is an like what to say, a achievement for me, right? If That is what my motive also when I started the business. As I said in the starting, the mentorship program, when I say and see, and I wanted to be like that to support other women. So when somebody say like, we got inspired from you and we are doing this to see you, or other people who even they are not in the business, but they reach out to me and they say like, yeah, you are doing good and we also want to be like that, that is an achievement for me. Yeah, I'm inspiring others to do something good in a positive way. So yeah.
Yeah, I'm totally agree with you because you inspiring many women, stay-at-home moms or working moms, right? You must be very proud of yourself, and you
Yes,
also
I
be
am. Yes.
very proud of yourself. And then before we wrap up, what's the one piece of advice you or thought you'd like to leave in our audience with today?
To the audience, I will say one thing only: ki if you are really thinking to do something, and if you have really that zeal inside you that you want to do for yourself, for your identity, for the financial freedom, you should definitely explore this platform. You can see us here. We all are from different background. We all have different identity, but still we are doing this business. We are learning every day. We are helping others as well, and we are growing financially also and personally also. So if you are the one who are desperately looking for something that you want to do, you want to grow financially and personally, but you don't know where to start, what to do, definitely reach out to any one of them, and they will guide you through the step. And yes, definitely you will like it.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Mudita.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, Madita.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much,
Thank you.
Simodita.
You are really inspiring for us, like the way you talk. That
Yes,
Thank you.
motivates
it's so
me, and it's
calming.
really, yeah, so calmly,
Thank you
You
so
really
much.
nice.
also
I
motivate
love the
us
way
a
you
lot.
talk, and you are really inspiring us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And this
Now
is
you
not
Thank
a
you.
you
beginner.
can do that. Why not us, right?
Yes, definitely. That is what I also thought. Ki if the other women's which I am seeing, they can do. If they can do it, why not me? So definitely, everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. You just have that your why. Keep it alive, and just keep working
Yeah.
on it.
Thank you so
I'm
much,
gonna
Mudita.
reach your fourth milestone. There, when I see that, and that time I'm proud myself. If she can do, how can why cannot me? One day I will do
Definitely.
it.
Definitely,
Definitely.
definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah,
Well,
thank you
thank you
for
so
your
much for
precious time
coming.
Thank
and
you.
coming on our page and making our page so special and sharing your journey with us. It was very inspiring and it was motivating to for every
Thank
one
you.
of us and our audience especially. Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Mudita, again, and
Thank
have a
you.
good
Thank
night.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.